All right, welcome back to ETF Edge. On the halftime report, space-related stocks have been getting a lot more attention these days, over the last several years, of course, but things are hitting fever pitch levels with the upcoming SpaceX IPO. So that bar is high. What constitutes a successful IPO, not just for the company, but investors, and what needs to happen for other companies in the industry to keep that momentum going? Here to help break us all down is Mike Akins, the founding partner over at ETF Action. This thematic has been in play for quite some time. Space stocks, and now there's ETFs galore to match them. What exactly are you seeing about the investor attention, inflow-wise or otherwise, to tell you about what's happening with space?
Yeah, so I think like the space ETF play has been around for a while, right? UFO, there's Rocket from State Street. There's a lot of tickers have been tracking this. But obviously, I think the ETF is just a wrapper. And if you think about it, we're going 4th of July. Think of the ETF as a firecracker, right? You need a fuse, something to light it off. And obviously, SpaceX is acting like that. And then with NASA, the ETF that's growing, tenfold in the last 3 weeks, you have actual allocation to that SpaceX. So I think that's just kind of lit the fuse on this, and now you've got a whole lot of attention going to a relatively small space when you get underneath the hood of these ETFs.
So it's interesting because many of those space ETFs, they were smaller in size, and now they've grown not just because of the inflows, but because the underlying assets have caught up as well. How much does thematic investing play into asset gathering, especially for these thematic ETFs like space-related ones?
I think the ETF provides transparency into what the narrative's all about, right? So you have a really smart people building these products, putting them together, and it's fully transparent. So suddenly the world knows. And with thematics, you have a very big retail following, and it creates that democratization to an instant access to a trade. Now, whether that's a good trade right now or a bad trade, that's a different story. But they bring attention to it, and they make it easy for the masses to understand what are the companies driving this story that you guys are talking about.
It's still the case right now, guys, that there are more ETFs listed than there are actually single stocks in the market right now, just to give you an idea of those thematic ETFs. Now, for more, go to etfedge.cnbc.com. We got that and Maurice Potts at Tema, who has just launched that NASA space ETF. Scott, big conversation. I'll send things back over to you.
Dominic, thank you very much. Dom Chu.